Are you guys being nice? Guys. Stop, stop. What are you doing? Let's be nice. Oh, Teddy. Carter. What did Teddy do? Is he being mean to you? Okay, come out if you want. No fingers in there, guys. This is dangerous. Oh my God, you guys. Can you guys just get along, please? Yeah, you better honk that horn. Teddy. You have to learn to share. Okay? Yeah. Forget it, right? Yeah. Say sorry, Carter. Can you go say you're sorry? Look, he's still crying over there. All right, bye.